how to turn on auto download documents using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download documents using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you'll find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and then just go down until you find this one when using mobile data. Click on it and here you will find the documents. Just click on it and click OK, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.